Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2 Waypoints 2.0. Pluses, minuses, overall thoughts. Coming right up. Hope you've had a chance to catch my DJI Mavic 2 Waypoints 2.0 series. Had a lot of fun shooting that video, and it was a great learning experience to learn about Waypoints 2.0. With that, I've come up with some pluses, some minuses, and my thoughts about the Waypoints 2.0. So let's jump into the pluses. The first plus was ease of use. It was very easy to set up and program waypoints in Waypoints 2.0. From the actual waypoints themselves, to their altitudes, to setting up points of interest, to setting it to a polyline or an arc, to setting the automatic camera function, it was incredibly easy to use. The second plus that I had with this was accuracy. It was very accurate. It held to the course, it held to the speed, it held to the altitude, even with some wind thrown in the mix. Now, the number one minus that I would say is DJI does not allow you to plan flights in offline. You have to be online and hooked up to the Mavic 2 in order to do this. The second minus is the pan and drag feature, which is very popular on the Mavic 2, is not available for Waypoints 2.0. My overall thoughts. It is a I would call this an excellent first edition of Waypoints for the Mavic 2. I'm hopeful in the future that DJI will come out with a Waypoints 2.0 or 2.1 or an upgrade to this to address some of these things, like being able to plan flights offline, to be able to also be able to use the pan and drag features. And there's just some little things that during flights you can notice with shooting of the video that I think DJI can improve on some of those things as well. Question of the day. What is your number one plus and your number one minus from the DJI Mavic 2 Waypoints 2.0? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.